Hey, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through exactly how to fill out the small business ledger so you can start tracking your business finances right away. Let's jump in. Start by clicking the Annual Ledger tab at the bottom of your sheet. At the very top you'll see blue cells. Those are your only input cells. Fill in your business name, year, and currency first. If you're using a currency other than USD, pop over to the FX Rates tab, find your currency, and copy the rate back into the FX Rate cell. Now work your way across the income rows. Each column is a month. Just enter your figures for product sales, service revenue, Etsy payouts, and any other income sources. Then scroll down and do the same for expenses, inventory, rent, software, marketing, shipping, contractors, taxes, and anything else. Here's the one rule: only ever type in the blue cells. The black cells are formulas, they calculate everything for you automatically. Net profit, margin percentage, annual totals, all done. You just enter the numbers. Now click the Transaction Log tab. This is where you track individual transactions as they happen throughout the month. Each row is one transaction. Fill in the date, a short description, the category, the amount, and mark it as income or expense. Expenses should be negative numbers, so $800 rent would go in as negative 800. Use the notes column for anything helpful like Jan rent or client invoice number 203. I recommend updating this weekly. Then at the end of the month, use it to cross-check your annual ledger figures and make sure nothing got missed. Once your ledger is filled in, click the Dashboard tab, and this is where it all comes together. At the top you've got 5 KPI cards: total income, total expenses, net profit, profit margin, and your best month. No formulas to write, no copying and pasting. It all pulls straight from your annual ledger automatically. Below that is the monthly snapshot table, which breaks down every month side by side, including how each month compares to the one before it. And at the bottom is a bar chart of your monthly net profit so you can actually see your business growth visually. Anytime you update the annual ledger, come back here and everything refreshes instantly. And that's it, 3 tabs, and your entire business finances are organized in one place. Drop any questions in the comments below and grab the template link in the description. See you in the next one.